Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2017 Ford Fusion. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you